Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Dota 2 crashing on startup and random crashes issue. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up Steam. You just need to right click on the Dota 2 and select properties. Select the installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, select the general tab over here and now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it over here in the launch option. After pasting it, just to close stuff here, just to click on outside and just to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing this, go to home and find the Dota 2 and select the details in it. Select the spanner icon over here and drag this point to performance, and after selecting it, select apply, and after doing this, just go back and close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app and select browse. Now you need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86. You just need to find the Steam folder and Steam apps, common folder. In here you can able to see the Dota 2 folder. In here you can able to see the Dota2.exe file. In my case, I not downloaded it. That's why the exe file is not here. You just need to select the Dota2 exe file and select open and select add the game guys. In my case, I already added this game. After adding the Dota 2, you will be see in this list guys. You just need to find the Dota 2 in this list and check mark private and public. Check mark it and select OK to save changes. After doing all these steps, you just need to restart our PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.